Does anyone have any idea what we're making today? That's right, we're making a paper never endless card. Do you want to learn from me how I make that paper endless card? Then let's get on with it. For this craft, you're going to need one origami paper, one glue stick and some scissors. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to fold your square sheet in half. Then unfold your paper and bring this line towards the center line. And do the same thing with the other side. Then open up your paper and fold it in half this way. And crease. And this way, bring this line towards the center line. Same thing with the other side. So, then you're going to fold your square sheet in half and then you cut it along this line just up till here. And do the same thing with this side. And cut this middle part like this. And then open it. Then take your glue and put some glue on this square and on this square and bring this in like this and here like this. And then you take the glue and put it on this side and on the square and fold it inwards on both sides. And you're done. These are the other infinity cards that I've made. Let me show you how they flip. I hope you all enjoyed making my infinity cards with me. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and definitely share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.